Hello guys, to implement drawing drafting feature, you first have a 3D object. For that we will going to make first a 3D object, and then we will see on it how to implement drafting. So select a plane, draw any sketch. Right now I'm using a rib command, and I'm making a cross section of my object. It's half part of the cross section, and now I will make the path along which I will rib it. So I need to use elongated hole feature. It is in rectangular, yeah, this one, elongated hole. Okay, so I need to make all these two endpoints symmetric to the vertical axis. So I will first select these 2 points, and later I select the vertical axis Y, B, and click on symmetry. Yeah. So now in this manner, if you change one of the endpoint, the other endpoint also move according to it. So now we have cross section and profile. So I'm going to choose rib and select first as my cross section, and then address the profile. So here is our 3D object. So on this we will see how to implement drafting. So go and start mechanical and drafting. Select the white page. And this is the paper size, the black boundary which you are seeing is the paper size. And select front view, go to Windows, and I have given drafting 2 as my part object name. So this is the front view. Right now it is very large, going beyond the size of the paper, so I will scale it down. Let's try 1:3. Let's make it even more smaller, so I will make it 1:4. Now it's good, it's quite nice. So I will adjust its position, and I want to show a cross section. It is just left side of the view tool. So here is the cross section, the AA part. Let me position it, and now you can assign any dimensions, like the radius, the vertical distance, the horizontal distance between the lines. Once you have given all the dimension, now you need to add a title box. That is very essential part of any drawing. So go to edit and sheet background and select drawing title sample 2 and OK. So here CATIA automatically generates a title box. You just have to double click on the text field and correspondingly update the strings or the characters. So here you can change the name to anything like XYZ company. All you have to do is to double click on the text and you can change it. So fill up all the detail, because it contains the essential data like which is the company who is making the drawing, who is making the drawing, who is the drawing is checked by whom, what is the size, the scale, the weight, and what is the name of the component the sheet is representing. So all of these data are there in the sheets. Even the date is also there, so you can just double click and update the date. Now once you are done, again go back to edit and working view, so that you can insert more views or add dimension or captions. So I'm just labeling it as a cross section. Now let me show you a balloon feature through which if we have a machine and which is made up of different components, then in that case the whole assembly of machine we represent via balloon, which help us to indicate the different components. Because if we are going to write text for each component, then it becomes quite messy. So let me search it where it is. I think might be in text field toolbox. Yeah, there it is. So this is a very cool representation of component. It just assigns a circle, and inside that there is a number. It automatically increases as much you are going to use it. The number of times you are going to increase it, the number automatically gets updated. And just putting a row and a column, you can describe what the number 1 represents, like which component or which view it is representing, though it's not required here. I'm just giving a kind of example. Like 1 is the top view and the 2 is the cross-sectional view. You can use this in kind of a BOM, bill of material, like this is the component, its weight is this much in another column, the material through which it is going to be made, aluminum, steel or brass. So as many fields you want to use, as many columns you have to insert. So now if everything's complete, there is one thing missing, the isometric view of this product. So this is the isometric view. With the help of compass, we will first orient it in proper position, left, right, or little bit rotate. So let me decrease its size even more further, 1:10, so that it quite fit inside my paper size. Now once you are done, save your file in any format like PDF, DWG which is AutoCAD file, DFX which is used in case of numerical file, that is used even in laser cutting and medial cutting. Now look at this, quite impressive, neat and clean drawing in PDF. Even if you are going to zoom it, then also its quality do not degrades. It's quite impressive. So whatever you have created, the dimensions, the sketches, all you can see it here.